Hello friends, if you are trying to download Barclays app but you could not download it because an error, which is the device is not compatible with this version. So what's the problem with this error? And this message simply means that the app you are trying to install or update has a specific requirement that your phone or tablet does not meet, and the app developer has set rules and your device fall outside of those rules. Okay, when you see this message, is your device is not compatible with this version, it means you are trying to download requirement that your smartphone or tablet does not meet. Okay, it means you should need to replace your device with the latest feature. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.